Good evening, everybody. I hope we're all doing well. Our Archangel wants us to know that whatever we ask him for will happen soon in a very happy way. They say that your dreams and your prayers are being heard. You are aligning with the stars. You must carry on letting your light shine into the world. Use your mind wisely. Something good is going to come from all this. They say that your guardian angels and spirit guides are with you always, and they're helping you make the choices in your life for the better. They say magic works through you, and you must embrace the in betweens while you're waiting. They say you must take control of your own journey now. Um, Something that you desire is on its way to you. It actually came in quite fast. And they say sometimes life does sting, but you must just take time out and don't be afraid to speak your truth. There's brightness coming in your life in all areas of your life. Freedom is yours. And they say now is your lucky time. Unplug and relax for a while. You are aligning with your higher self. That is the all of your truth. And you're getting powerful insights from your higher self. You must be at peace. The sun is going to shine on you again very soon. Well, and they say life is wonderful. We must carry on moving forward, thriving through the power of positive thinking. We're going to have inspiring successes. Claim your independence, be loyal to what you love. Justice is coming. They say yes that this card popped out. Every time I put it back, it popped out. We are going to have peace of mind and contentment. This is from our angels for us for today. I love you all very much. Have a good evening. Night, night.